Hi, welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons, owner of parsonsmarketing.net. You can always reach me anywhere in the world by email, daniel at parsonsmarketing.net. And you can also get me on Telegram from anywhere in the world. It's a free call. Just download the Telegram app. And that phone number is +1 for the USA and Canada, obviously, and +1. So 360-383-0265. That's Pacific time zone. I'm available to talk business on weekdays. So today I want to show you something important about the Seven Wonders water bottles. In the bottom here is a cartridge that needs to be replaced around every 3 months. The instructions that you get in your box show that if you're using 2 liters of your pure water in this chamber every day, then the hydrogen balls that are in the bottom, and I'll go ahead and shake it. And when I shake it, I want you to observe the bubbles that you're going to see. And this water has been sitting in the chamber, I recommend over 5 minutes. The instructions give you a breakdown on time, but I always fill it up and then I set it aside. And oh, I remember I've got some more hydrogen water that's got minerals and it's alkaline. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shake it, and I want you to observe the little bit of bubble action that's going to happen. I'm not sure if you can see that. The problem is maybe if I close my drapes and let the daylight. There you go. There you saw some bubbles. Okay, so don't shake the bottle to see bubbles if you just filled it up. So that's my whole point. Let me get some light back in here. Some of my favorite verses in the Bible: "Let there be light." And so I live in the Pacific Northwest, and it's very dark this time of year. We get a very short day here. So let's go to screen share. I'm going to show you how to order one of these. Make sure I'm on screen share here and share my screen. Okay. There's my Rumble channel. And so let's go to Price. So hopefully that switched over. I'll just stop the share and come back just to double check it. Sometimes technology can be a challenge. I had to learn all of this stuff when I went back to university and got a business degree. So we're going to log in here. First thing I need to do is this is privevip.com. Everybody that purchased and told me to sign them up with a username and have a part of what's known as the affiliate link, you've got this. If you don't and you've bought it, devices from me and you want to have one, I can certainly do that. And by the way, while I'm thinking about it, I just read that you need to have your promo orders in by the 18th because what happens is the server in Malaysia updates, and you'll need to honor it by the 18th because we're in like 15 plus hours behind Asia on the West Coast. So, all right. So what you're going to do, if you want to get those holiday promo on the classics, make sure today's the 13th of December. You need to get your orders in now because I don't want there to be any ill feeling if all of a sudden on the 16th they say there's no more inventory. So, but they are telling us that by the 18th, you've got to have your order in. What you need to do, because these cartridges only have what's known as $45 worth of volume that's commissionable in the income plan, you need to, for right now, hit the purchase pin button. Okay. Now, I have a stockist that's working on my team, and she said that she's got these cartridges in stock. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to select the United States. And for those of you in South America and other parts of the world that have bought from me, I can get them shipped through the Miami business that's doing your forwarding also. So we'll hit next step and just leave that product collected right there. So here's the shopping cart. Here we'll just add to cart. She's got 35 of a pen balance there. I just did this the other day, but I'm going to go ahead and do another one because I know somebody is going to ask me for one locally. So right here, I'm going to use my register wallet balance to pay the $110. And so we'll just leave that all the way it is, register wallet balance. So register wallet amount will be 110. And here's another little trick. We have this on the navigate button. We have convert your bonus wallet to your register wallet. So I do that daily and I don't wait for Price to pay me. I just take payments from people. They mail me checks in the mail and they send me Zelle or they send me Cash App. And the last one would be Venmo. I absolutely stay away from PayPal if I possibly can. And the one last thing, I should have my merchant account set up on my website soon. So you won't even ever have to deal with PayPal again. So that being said, we're going to go down here and put in the remark, cartridge inventory, because when you're in this business like I am, you need to have some inventory hanging around. So we'll hit next step and purchase pen recipient. So I'm going to up this to 1 right there. You need to hit the plus button and you see right there it filled that in. We're going to leave courier set there. Then I'm just going to put in all my details here. And while I'm thinking about that, I want to talk quickly about the knockoff devices that are on the websites over in Europe. I had one doctor, it's on my team in Europe, said that she's getting all these people saying, well, why do I want to buy from Price when I can get one on another website for less money? Well, you're not getting genuine iTeraCare, you're not getting a warranty, and you're not getting a opportunity to earn some additional income if you so wish. So and the other thing is Price International is the certified. And so you're risking your money when you go on other websites and buy things like that. You don't know if it's genuine, whereas Price International is the genuine deal. And I've got hundreds and hundreds of satisfied clients and a team that's built hundreds and hundreds of satisfied clients. So I don't need to add a recipient. That's a nice new feature that's just showed up recently. I'm guessing that might have something to do with a bonus promo, but I'm not sure, so I won't talk about that anymore. So I hit my security password, just double check. It's always good to double check address is in the right place, email, phone, Daniel, courier, 17 Wonders cartridge, pulling from my register wallet. Yep, it's all good. So go ahead and submit. And then that's all you need to do. You successfully purchased the pen register. Aki told me that I don't have to do anything else. Normally, you would have to go in and do something else if you were going to do a product where you actually registered as a silver. You would need to go in and do something known as pen redemption. But I don't have to do that because this does not create a position in the company. That's it. So I've covered everything that's important. Let the water sit in your 7 Wonders water chamber at least 5 minutes. And then that way, you know, you're getting alkaline hydrogen water. replace your filter every 3 months. I'm sorry, excuse me, that's a bad word. It's not a filter. Replace your cartridge that has the hydrogen balls. You can hear that. Probably still see some bubbles. Yep. And so once you don't see bubbles, you need to replace that cartridge. And so I covered the fake devices that have absolutely no warranty, and you don't want to get scammed. You might as well spend the right amount of money and have that peace of mind that if something goes wrong, there is a warranty on your device. So that's the update for today. God bless you. And I wish you the peace in this time of year, and we will talk soon. Bye for now.